Are you looking for a move-in ready home in Morningside? A home that's been completely renovated, new roof, new plumbing, new electrical. Welcome to 670 Northeast 51st. My name is Joe.
Also Joe.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an awesome tour planned for you. This house has been completely renovated. Make our way first in this expansive living area with the built-in, really nice light flooring. The built-in, of course, will stay. Now, one of my favorite features that I love about this house is they kept some of these mid-century modern, oh, there's a raccoon in the backyard. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. Look at that little guy. But like I was saying, they kept a lot of these accents. So this window is kind of on a slant. I mean, you could knock it down, you could do something else, but I would definitely keep this. This is so unique to this type of house. Like I said, everything's been renovated. So you have a new roof, hurricane impact windows, all the glass has been redone. I'm gonna take you first on the right-hand side of the house. This is where your primary is going to be. You have a great sized room. This is a king size bed. Access to the pool right behind us. You have a closet and then double vanities. Really, really nice. Someone's living here right now, but they really take care of this house. You can tell. Nice gold accents in the honeycomb, the black honeycomb tile. Really, really nice. This house is ready to go. You don't need to do anything here. I'll show you the second bedroom. This is kind of like the nursery room. You do have a closet right over here. If you do have kids, you're definitely gonna want a bathtub. So this room has the bathtub with the stand-up shower. So this is on that one side of the house. Make our way over and take a look at all these details. Thermador appliances, nice sink with your garbage disposal. Really nice poles, side by side, LG smart washer and dryer. Have another door right to the exit. Again, hurricane impact, you can see because it has the knobs on the top and the bottom. So moving on to the other side of the house, I'll show you the first room that has really nice wallpaper. 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. So you have north, east, and west exposure. You have room for this little lounge, really great size bedroom. And then I noticed when I was walking through here earlier, what's called Miami-Dade pine. Huge closet, but they've kept the original pine. They lined all their closets with pine wood because it's a natural repellent. This bathroom is shared, tub with the shower, all upgraded plumbing, and then another bedroom set up like a kid's room. This one has an in-suite bath, and this one is a stand-up shower. Again, tons of windows. You're facing east, 1, 2, 3. You can actually see right over here the pool. Brand new saltwater pool, and it's heated. Pool equipment, AC, all new. This house is move-in ready. If you're looking for something that you can get into in Morningside, Gianni, what's the price?
$2.689.
Price at $2.689, listed by Gianni Brito Group. If you're interested, send me a message so I can get in touch and we can schedule a private showing.
It, Joe.
Thanks, Gianni. Thanks for having us. And thanks so much for watching. So stick around for more house tours. Make sure that you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. Joe, thanks so much for tagging along.
Of course, thank you guys.